I think attribution is a big issue, but for me specifically, it's the multi-touch aspect of attribution.
I think it can be challenging to figure out the best way to spend your money, especially when you have the shoestring budget.
And really understanding all of the different ways that our prospects are finding us, what their journey looks like, and then how we target them in their journey.
I think it's just a matter of coming to events like this and really having an understanding of what's going to be the most effective for you.
Really working with our vendors like Digible to understand what they're doing on their end and how we can work together to make that whole data process a little bit more clean. I've been really impressed with Digible's effort to get us in front of different experts outside of the multifamily industry.
It's really exciting. I think that Digible did a really good job of pulling in speakers and then showing us how to take what they're chatting with us about and making it actionable, because you don't always get that.
They give you a different perspective, but then the team is really good about bringing it back to how does this impact our industry? So you're kind of getting a balance on new ideas and an outsider's perspective, but then they really bring it home and tie it back to what we do.